So the overall event per se, this was the first event that we did this year. From an ROI perspective, if you ask me, I think we met a lot of stakeholders, specifically around our target audience. We had good conversations going on. More importantly, we understood that our value proposition is much more aligned to our the customer's pain points and something that we have ready available solutions that they can typically adopt. And I think there's a lot of similarities and synergies between what we were offering and what the customer's expectations were. So that's my 2 cents about the event. We made most use of our time by speaking to unknown audiences who we've never met before. So I think it's a good way to interact because everyone's busy. I think 3 or 4 minutes, quick question, and a quick round of discussion really helped us. I think we were able to speak to more than about 30-40 people in that speed networking sessions. Yeah. Yes, I think we should have done this event last year. That's the only thing I would say.